portable changing pad. Waterproof diaper changing by MoHelper is one of the best baby diaper changing kits products. Don't hesitate and button above now. Premium quality, made of BPA-free non-toxic materials, very comfortable and skin-friendly for kids and adults. Protect your baby from the nasty germs in public facilities. Lightweight and well organized, so compact and keeps everything organized. Fits about 6 diapers, wipes, change of clothes, and your keys, phone or both in the front. Sleek design, designed for the modern parent, with a pattern that will go with your style when you are out and about, so you can wear it as a clutch, hook it to your stroller or put into any bag or backpack to transform it into a diaper bag. Neutral black and gray arrows design makes it perfect for girls or boys. Easy clean, made of waterproof material. The diaper changing mat is wipeable and washable. The changing mat is detachable so you can wash it when things get really dirty, since it's machine washable due to the premium, safe polyester and waterproof liner. 100% money back guarantee. The manufacturer are so sure you and your baby will be happy with the manufacturer's premium quality product. If for any reason you wish to discontinue using the product, simply contact them about a replacement or a refund.